Okay, so welcome back everybody. Now let's check today how we can provide liquidity on Solana chain. We're going to do yield farming experiment. Actually, we're going to do research of some of the pools, and I'm going to mention to you maybe 3, maybe 4, maybe 5 different pools. Let's go and let's dig in up. Now, there are a few things you need to understand. Now, first thing first, go subscribe, leave me a comment at the end of the video and let me know what pool is your top favorite from the one I'm going to mention, or maybe I'm missing something. When I'm doing this video, the market on the daily looking extremely bad. In the hour, looking very green. In the day, looking very red. In the week, looking very red. In the month, looking 50-50. I need this OM, I miss big time. It is what it is. Now, this is one of the best time to get in. Get in when the market is red. Again, I'm not your mama and papa. What's mean? I'm not giving you any financial advice. Do your own research. Make sure you understand the risk. This is crypto. You can lose everything. Now, I don't talk about the market, what's happening and all the stuff, but I'm waiting for dips. Why? This is the best time for me to get into some position to take some liquidity because I'm doing a lot yield farming. Also, they're very good farming for TIA and many of these tokens. Now let's go today and let's talk about Solana, because many people ask me to make a video for Solana, and here you are. Let's go and let's dig it up. First thing first, you need to have Phantom wallet. If you have a Phantom wallet, make sure you connect, or any other wallet, make sure you use a hardware wallet, Ledger or anything else to be connected with the Phantom so you can physically approve the transaction. This is just to protect yourself. Once you get in there, make sure you have some Solana for the fees, and let's go and let's dig it up. There are 2 good decks for Solana chain. What I'm using and many people using. The most famous is Raydium and also Orca. So we're going to find in some pools there, and I'm going to explain you what I'm doing and how I'm doing. So it doesn't need to be you need to copy me. So do whatever you want. Let me see, I'm recording. Yes, I am recording. So liquidity pools, this is Raydium. If you go to the liquidity, you will see there are 1.3 billion into the liquidity and 1.4 billion in 24 hours. Now remember, more volume in 24 hours, more fees are paid. That means when somebody buy and sell, they pay small percentage fees for everybody who provide liquidity. In this case, we are liquidity providers, or in the real world, that's called market makers. Okay, so let's go and let's find out. First one will be SOL USDC. How much money we can make in the SOL USDC? So I just did the math for you. So when you click here, okay, you come into this position and you say, I think SOL will don't go down below 3-4%, and I think SOL will be between, let's say, maybe 10% more up. Okay, so between up and down 12-13%. What is this? Is a little bit narrow range. We're going to get estimate of 124%. Now remember, this is estimate. So here, if you put 1 SOL, it's going to show you how many USDC you need to add into the pool. You provide the liquidity, and that's about it. And then when you're in this range, you're going to get some money. If you get out of range, you'll be converted to one or another asset. But that is a video for a different topic for different video. If you want to put more wide range, let's say you want to put for Solana to go up, let's say to maybe 13% up, okay, it's give you up to $190, between 162 and 190 bucks, this wide range. Well, you're going to get around approximately 93% APR. This is for a year, it's not for the day. So done, that's about it. That's SOL USDC. I'm not going into stables right now a lot because I believe the market is going up, so I like to benefit from both assets. My next one of my favorite is Render and SOL, and Render has been doing terrible for the last few weeks time, and it is what it is, but I'm still bullish on that. If you go and check Render here, and you will see that today Render on Raydium, the APR is very terrible. What I believe is very wrong. Here it says if you go 10% up, let's say 7% down and 10% up, well, the APR is only 40% APR. What I think is very wrong, okay? But if you go to Orca, that's why you need to check, maybe different dexes. That's why we have here 2 decks. And if you go to Orca, you will see the trading volume for 24 hours is 500 million, but 200 million locked money. You will see here that Render, let me just show. Sometimes, by the way, Orca doesn't work without VPNs, depends where you are, so make sure you have VPN. Like today when I'm doing this video, Orca is a little bit stuck, but if you go to the V2, you will see here Render SOL, you're going to get 0.07 APR, what is very bad. But let's go and let's find out how realistic is this. Is this the real numbers? Okay, let me just move my face now. Let me see, you can see now. Yep, there we go. I'm moving my face. Let me just put like that. There we go. Okay, it doesn't matter. So you will see here, I'm recording, yeah. So you will see if here, this is the new version of Orca, by the way. You will see here to the right side, I don't know why they don't have a white screen, that's okay. So you will see here, if you put up and down 5% and up 6% range, so that's at around narrow 11% range, well, I think it's not bad at all. Let's put a little bit wide, let's put a little bit, you know, down 6-7% and up 7%. For Render and Solana is not bad because they've been very correlated for till like 3-4 weeks ago, but I believe it will be still the same. You will see that you're going to earn approximately 0.54 APR percent, so 0.5% per day APR, and I believe this is very realistic. I'm not sure why on Raydium today is not showing this because I'm farming here and today I'm making around 220% APR on the same range, but I don't know why it's not showing on Raydium, but it is what it is. So this is for Orca. Okay, so let's go back to the Raydium. Let's see if we can pick up maybe something else. Let me just move my face back, because there we go. So if you go back to Raydium, you will see Billy here is very famous with a trading volume of 7 million and fee of 17,000 bucks fee for everybody who provide liquidity. And here you will see that I did right here. If you go for Billy, and if you know Billy, let's see if we can open here. Billy is a meme token, but has been very famous, and it's minus 20% down today. Well, that is a very good time for me to get in maybe. And you will see, let's say if Billy go up maybe 20-30% to all-time high, okay, that's around 30%, and maybe down around 20 more percent. So we give a huge range of Billy and SOL. Where was Billy? There we go. So we say 20% up, maybe 28% up, and 20% down. So that's around 50% range to go up for the price. In that case, if we provide liquidity, we're going to earn, estimate around 400% APR, and this is very true. And I think this is a little bit less. Again, this will be much more because I don't know what's happening with Raydium today, but it's not showing the realistic thing. Okay, so let's go and let's check Billy on Orca. Is Billy working on the old? You see my malware bytes is all the time pretty much blocking Orca. That's why Orca is not working for me a lot. That's a false positive, but let's go and check in the new one. Billy, close. Billy, let's see what we have. Billy with Billy SOL. There we go. We have fees, not good. So we need Billy SOL. There we go. 5,000 fees. So the trading volume on Orca is much less. But let's see what will be the APR, approximately APR. And let me move my face again. Okay, so check this out. So if you go here and if you put, let's say 20% down, and if you put 30% up, we're going to get approximately 1% per day, and that is pretty much the same like Raydium, what is given. So pretty much it's real right here. So not bad at all. But let's go and let's check out on Orca what else we have. Example, wow, this is so annoying. So example, I did on my one of my favorite is Popcat, and also Popcat is very good with WIF. Okay, this is very good, by the way. I like because they going together. Popcat and WIF is one of my very good performing for the last 10 days. And if you put not wide range, why? Because they are pretty much very good correlated if you go and check them out. And if you put still good range between up and down 30%, okay, range, what is not bad at all, you're going to get approximately 1.6% per day. And this is very, very true. This is what I am getting at the moment, around 1.2, because I have slightly wider range. I have around 20% up and 20% down, then that's around 1.2% per day, what is not bad at all. If you go with Popcat SOL, Popcat, by the way, is one very good token, meme token, what is very down today. Not too down, but let's see how is Popcat doing today. Popcat is minus 10% only, so it's around 77 cents, and went almost up to $1. You will see blow up right here almost to 96 cents, and now it's cooling off, and I don't be surprised if this is going back a little bit more, and then I will get a little bit more. Popcat is one of my top favorite meme tokens, who is nobody token, but is doing extremely well. And if you see here, go to costume and just change that. You think that Popcat is going to go let's say plus let's see 14, I would say plus 20, I would say plus more. We need plus 30% and minus 14, minus 24%. So look, this wide range, we allowed for Popcat to go up to 32% and down up to 24%. So that's around 60% wide range. We're still earning around 0.9% per day on Orca. That's providing liquidity between Popcat and Solana, and that is very realistic because this is what I'm getting for the last around 4 weeks time. So Popcat and SOL is one of my best winner, and I was able to get in around 68 cents. So it's not bad for me. All right, so this is one of the tokens what I want to mention to to you again, if you want to learn about yield farming, one of the best group, it's called UIG or Crypto Lab Research. Go and check them out. They have so many free stuff. Definitely worth it. Go and check them out. It's for free. Okay, use the link down in the description. Go and sign up. And if you want to go into the VIP, make sure you say CryptoPhil send you, because you're going to get 50% off the second month, and I'm going to get some money off. Okay, and I'm going to get some kickback. Now, the next thing what I want to mention is Portfolio Masters. This is the one of the best place to learn to find low crypto market cap gems. So when the market is crazy like this and you see, okay, what to get in today, so maybe good stuff is to have something in your mind, check Portfolio Masters. They have free access for the Telegram group. Go and check in the link down in the description, or get the VIP. What is very on offer right now is around I think it's around 200 and something bucks for 1 year, which is pretty good. And they finding all the low crypto market cap gems for you. They're doing all the research for you and me, and they have some very good success. Of course, some of them are down just like the rest of the market, but they have a very good place out there. All right, so that's about it. Make sure you let me know in the description, what do you think about these pools? Which one is your top favorite? Thank you so much. And the video is around 12 minutes. We're going to make it a little bit shorter. Love you all. Goodbye.